Investing in multiple cryptos and losing track of your performance? Crypto.com has built-in tools to monitor your portfolio. I'll show you how to use them effectively. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Smart investing requires clear data about your holdings and returns. In the main app, the Accounts tab shows your total portfolio value and a pie chart of your asset allocation. You can see your 24-hour profit and loss here. For more detailed tracking, the separate Crypto.com Price app lets you manually input holdings from other wallets and exchanges for a complete picture. A crucial pro tip: focus on your total portfolio value, not individual coins. It's easy to get emotional about one coin's price swing. But what matters is your overall net worth. A diversified portfolio should smooth out volatility and show steady growth over time. And just like that, you can make data-driven investment decisions. Proper tracking stops you from flying blind and helps you stick to your strategy. How often do you check your portfolio performance? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to earn CRO passive income on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.